Through down here?
Mama, come over here. Stop it!
Wait, stop yelling.
Kai.
You could see that simply.
What?
There.
The pre-filter.
See this shit right there?
Does this hurt?
The baby's sleeping. Stop.
That shrimp is really big.
It is.
I can't see it good from this.
Yes, you can.
Actually, no. Oh, no. Hi, there's lots of shrimp in here.
I have a bum in my hand.
Oh my god, I thought my snake was out. I seen this with the container.
Mom, can we carry it?
I have a butt in my hand.
Remember you said I'm checking a video.
I'm feeling somebody's butt.
What?
Excuse me.
How come you...
Guys, I'm taking a video. Sorry.
I'm touching somebody's butt.
Excuse me. Stop it.
Pass me the jug.
Dad. Mom. When are we going to look at the snake? Mom. Excuse me. I want to show that.
No, not tonight. Leave me alone.
It's best when it's awake. You move. I'm so mad. So that big shrimp right there. Like, it got like that big and this long. Hi. So the angelfishes that are interested in angelfishes, you better be. Oh, you'll get it. Stop it.
Tell them to be quieter instead of time.
She just kicked my knee when my knee was straight. She kicked me when my knee was straight. Come here, Marva. Please. Please. Stop it. Sit down. I'm getting okay. Sit down. You're the one that gets scared. This is the one right in there. Oh, come on, actually. See? Right there. Come on. Oh, I think the camera's scaring it. Well. These are fish tanks.